أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again all my dear students in شعاع المعرفة secondary schools. The first stage. Today we are going to explain the new unit from Mecca al-Mukarramah after returning from our country Egypt. Thank you so much for all your messages to me, and now we are going to discuss the new lesson. This new lesson is the last one of unit number 1, big changes. Next time inshallah, or next class, we will discuss a new unit inshallah. The last lesson we explained the past simple tense, or the simple past tense. We have two sections here. Can you see? The first one is affirmative, means opposite negative also, and the first one is consisting of the subject first and the verb. You see this verb ending is ed. This means it is regular verb, فعل منتظم. I worked yesterday. How can we get the negative form of this sentence? We will say I didn't work yesterday. I didn't work yesterday, or I did not work yesterday. Both of them are right. So here also we can find two shapes of didn't or did not. The abbreviation of did not is didn't. Both of them also right. You can write it with abbreviation or complete form like did not. And the third section of this unit, the first one is affirmative, الإيجابي أو الموجبة، الجملة الإيجابية أو المثبتة. المنفية negative. The third one is question, الاستفهام. How to form the first one? I worked yesterday. I will say I worked yesterday? No. I will start with the subject like the affirmative or the negative? No. What we will do, I will start with the question here, question word. Okay? Did. You will find did here? No. But the verb here is in the past simple. We will put did in the question form. If we want to ask a question, لو أردنا أن نسأل سؤال يا شباب بنكتب في بداية الجملة الفعل المساعد did وهو بمعنى هل. Yes, that's right. Did I work? And we will. سوف نقوم بفصل ed عن الverb. Why? Because we put did. إذا وضعنا did يا شباب في بداية الجملة بنضع الverb في التصريف الأول أو البيزك form. Right? Okay. The short answer of this question is yes I did or no I didn't. If you answered in the affirmative you will say yes I did, or in the negative you will say no I didn't or did not. Right? Okay. Time expressions for the past. هناك أيضا بعض التعبيرات الزمنية. What are these expressions? First one, like last night, 2 yesterday, last month, and so on. Right? Okay. You will see the next one here. What can you remember about the last text about Hans and Samir on page 11? If you see page 11 or return it over, you will see the text and remember what's happening in these sentences. Hans wasn't born in Leipzig. He was born in Berlin. Right? Wasn't ماضي بسيط present simple في النفي أو النيجاتيف. He was born. He wasn't. He wasn't in the negative, and he was in the affirmative. Okay, if we want to make the same example from 1 to 5, okay, write down after me. Number 1, be from Leipzig. We already, Hans isn't in the present, isn't from Leipzig. Okay, we will use the past simple. Hans isn't from Leipzig. His family is from Leipzig. Right? Okay. Second one. Hans isn't from Dubai. Here we see P, verb to be, but Hans will take